Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so today is the second session for web scraping series. So today we will discuss some very simple web scrape stuff. Okay, so first thing, tools of trade. Which type of tools are required? So we need a browser where we can run our website, any website. Wikipedia is kind of my favorite because it is easily available. Okay, so I don't know what is this. Okay, wildlife. Okay, and any topic, doesn't matter. And second thing which you need is somewhere where you can write and execute Python. I can use Jupyter like I used yesterday during the demonstration, but I assume that most of you don't have Jupyter, so let's use Colab. Okay, so I suggest you guys to code with me and open a Colab. Just click on the new notebook, give it some name, and you are ready to go. Just type Colab, click on the first link, and open a notebook. New notebook, just open a notebook. You can rename it, let's say demo scraping, or whatever you want to, or let's say fundamental of scraping fundamental. Okay, okay, so what is this Jupyter notebook? Jupyter notebook is, this is Colab notebook. So Colab notebook is totally online stuff, so it doesn't burden your CPU. Okay, am I audible? I'm audible, right? My screen is visible. Yes, yes, fine. Okay, so Colab notebook is some kind of online notebook where you can run your Python script. Let's see, print and hello TDS. Okay, this is simple Python code. Print hello TDS. It is connecting to the Google servers, so it doesn't put lot of burden on my local system. Most of the processing work happen in somewhere in cloud. As you can see, RAM, disk, it is some virtual stuff. Okay, you can read Google computer engine, and it is hello TDS. So this is very much like your Python IDE 2 plus 3, and you can run it. Same Python, 2 plus 3 is 5, or you can run any Python operation here. Okay, so this is Colab notebook. Just open a Colab notebook, and tell me if you guys are facing any problem. You need to log in. You need to log in with any ID. So here is my ID. Okay, tell me if you guys are ready. This is the fundamental stuff. Step most fundamental. I mean, if you are in PDSA, like someone was asking me, Kavya, I think it was. So Madhavan sir also gave some introduction about the Colab. And the interesting part is I can share it with a lot of people. I can add some editor here. So if I am writing some code, see, I can change it. If I am writing some code, if I want anyone to edit my code, I can do it easily in the Google Colab. Are you guys ready with Colab?
Yes.
Yes, very nice, very nice. Okay, so let's talk about the scraping. So how the scraping work? Okay, nice, Purva. Okay, okay. So let's first talk about little bit about the scraping, how the scraping work. So see, inspect element. When I first write any URL here, so this URL go to the server. This is basically what is a URL. Okay, URL means uniform resource locator. So, or maybe identify resource locator, whatever it is. So there are all these web page, all these HTML page have some specific address. That address is URL. Okay, so when I send this URL, if the URL is correct, it is an address, so it reach to a proper destination, and from which is server, and from that destination we receive this type of written lines, this type of written code. Okay, information doesn't come in this visual way. Information comes in this code, this HTML code. After it, my browser, I am using Opera, Firefox, Chrome, Safari, anything it is, that browser convert this written language, this written HTML or CSS or JavaScript code into this visual representation. Okay, so the thing is, sometimes we already get HTML stuff, but there are a lot of things. Maybe you guys experience it. Sometime you just open a web page, whole stuff is open, but not the image. In place of image, there is some broken symbol, some blue tile, you know. So what happens? Sometimes you receive the HTML part, but you miss uh, audio, video, media, you know, images and other stuff. So in the pure form, we generally receive HTML. Okay. So how it work in the web scraping? There is a library. Okay, someone is asking something. No, Laksh, I just started, and please don't call me sir. You just need to open a collab. I am just about to start, so just start. Okay. So in the Python there are a lot of ready-made library. I hope you guys already know about the NumPy, okay, or maybe pandas. We study it in Python course. Okay, so here is a library which help us to bring all the information to our Python page. Okay, so the name of the library is urllib. From urllib dot request, import. I import. This is a good feature of collab. It give you some suggestion. URL open. Okay. See, this is a ready-made line. You need to write it everywhere. So what I am doing, I am bringing a library named urllib.request. Okay, and from this library, I am bringing this URL open module. Okay, so now I am going to define my URL. What is my URL? My URL is this. Wildfire. Okay, I am going to put my URL here. So what I did, I just bring this library URL open from the URL lib, and I just define some URL here. And now I wanna read print URL dot read. Now I am asking my library to read whatever URL I provided, just read it, and then I am gonna print it. So let's run it and see. Okay, it has read. Read is basically this method. Okay, now it will work. Okay. So the thing is, okay, whenever you import any library, you need to define it. So here I need to define it URL open bracket here, and now it will run. I hope so. Yes, it is working. It is working. It is working. So what I did, I just bring this library in my Python notebook. I define it a web address inside this URL open. I give it a name. I can give any other name also. Let's say X, then X dot read, and now it is running. See, it is in a single string. It is very much hard to read for us human. But if you look at it, doc type, HTML class, client, node, whatever it is, language in the header, and if you look at this stuff is same as this. See, HTML class, client JS, vector, feature, language in the header, है ना, same stuff. Okay, but it is really hard to read. But the thing is, if I'm gonna copy and paste it in the notepad here, see, so everything is the same HTML. Let me find something familiar here. Use my date from February 2014, wildlife article needing maps. Okay, you can see all this stuff here. Must be somewhere here. Okay, I mean you got the idea. So with the help of these three lines, I can bring HTML of any website in my Python notebook. Tell me, are these steps are clear or not? Anyone?
So X basically contains the HTML code of the website.
Yeah. With the help of this is the structure. This is the line which you need to remember. We use URL open, and here I am defining URL open. Okay, I am using this URL open. So the name is very much suggesting what is the meaning of URL open. Just open the URL. This is my URL, and it is opening it and find all the HTML content. Okay,
So basically, it is opening that particular URL means it is opening that page and reading the contents.
HTML, specifically HTML
H-
content.
okay, reading
Yeah.
only the HTML content.
Yes, yes. Whatever the skeleton which we made yesterday, na, all the HTML file. So this is the format. Like I just copy paste it here, na. You can, maybe you guys can read it. There are some tags. See href tag, है ना. This is en
Yes.
tag. I mean not en.
Title
Yeah,
is there.
yeah. Title is there.
Okay.
This is title. Okay. So yeah, this
So
is,
this one, where is it? It is present in one of that inspect where
yes.
you did inspect element.
This is the whole stuff. This is the stuff. But the thing is, this is very much structured, and here you can see this is still structured, but in only a single line. So it is really hard to read.
Okay.
Okay, are these steps clear? I suggest you guys to
Yes.
do it
Yes.
in your local computer. Don't use this
We'll
same
try.
URL. You guys can open any URL of your choice. Okay, it will work for nearly all the websites. Just try it and tell me.
Is there a request library or other than this URL lib or request?
Yeah, there is another library which is called known as requests. So yeah, we can use it also. Both have the same feature. URL lib and request both have the same feature. Maybe there are some difference in the, but the core features are same. Okay, for now you guys can copy paste my code. I mean, not don't copy paste, just try to understand, है ना.
How did it open it on the notepad?
I just double click on it, double or triple click on it. When it become blue, I just copy it and paste it. So it is manual stuff. I just want to show you. Don't do it on the notepad. It is not required. I just want to show you. Okay, this is the stuff. Okay. Take 2-3 minutes and then tell me. If any doubt, I will explain.
Sir, once again, what does the print statement does? Like, what is it doing here? X dot read.
Okay. So the thing is, I define my x. What is my x? My x is something. I am asking my URL open library to whatever you find HTML stuff inside this URL, open it. Okay. But what now? See, I am gonna run it. Python is working. Okay, it is fine. Tick, it is fine. But what now? How can I understand? So I am using fundamental Python. I want to see what is inside it. Okay. So what I am doing, x dot read. This is a function. With the help of x dot read, you can read the stuff. Okay. So this is the stuff. Okay, now it is better. Okay, but I just use that Python statement because in Python we generally use print now. So I just add print here, but now I can see that without Python it's better. So don't use print without Python. Sorry, don't, without print is better. So don't use print, just use x dot read. I am gonna repeat, man. No need to remember, no need to rectification anything. Just get the important
Sir,
idea.
just one question that
Mhm.
you are pasting the URL of that Wikipedia page, then how come it is showing the HTML code of that page?
Why not? Just give me the answer. Why not? Okay, just see, I am just gonna copy paste this simple URL in any browser. Okay, this is a new browser, Brave browser, and it is still giving me the full page. Why? Because this URL is the address of a specific page. Let's say yesterday we create a page demo HTML. So why my browser is showing demo HTML? Because that demo HTML is the address of a HTML page which I created. You remember I download the image of Emma Watson, and I just give it a name emma.jpg, and it is opening the right. So that's how internet work. We provide a address. That's how our postal system work. If I'm gonna write a letter and give the address of your home, it will reach to your home. है ना. So that's how HTML work. You are gonna study lot of history in the Mad 1 topic. Okay, so that's how.
No, sir, actually, my question was that
Mhm.
X dot read, it reads the file.
Mhm.
Uh, but here it is like it is like printing the code of that the backend thing of that particular Wikipedia page.
Yeah, yeah, because that's what I explained. Whenever we send this URL to the server, server doesn't give us this visually representation of the page. Server send us this HTML data of the page. It is the job of our browser to convert this HTML data into visual uh, representation. Okay,
Okay.
so it is just giving you the pure HTML stuff. Okay,
Okay, sir.
chalo, okay, nice. Chalo, I hope you guys did it already. So let's create a new cell. So for create,
One second.
uh-huh.
Can we just make the whatever page that we made yesterday, that HTML page? Can we read it here, like how we have read this one?
Yeah, yeah, you can do it. You can do it. But
But when I put that address, obviously I'll be. Should I just? It says the address says file colon triple slash d colon, because it is
the
taking my local drive
yeah,
ID.
the reason is because, see, if you want to read the local file, then you need to first upload the local file here. Let me show you.
Oh,
Here, this is the place. This file. Click on it. Upload your file, which is your demo file. Let me open. It's in study here. This demo HTML. Okay, I am opening it. It is done. Now I can read it. Okay, just see, press the code here. You will find a new line. Y is equal to URL open, and name is path is demo underscore html dot html,
HTML.
है ना, and now you can just read it. Y dot read bracket, so
Okay.
it will work. Okay, it is not working. Why so? Unknown URL type.
You have to specify the path.
Yeah, I think I need to specify the path. What's the path, man? Copy path. Okay, let's try it. Copy path. Yeah, this is different content,
Oh.
something, you know. Okay, not working. Let me check. Okay, for it there is some unknown URL type, but I don't know why. I just tried once again, I mean earlier, and it was working. Maybe sample data.
So I think we have tried the path of the system.
No, it is, I am just uploading the website. I just uploaded the page, and it should be here. Let me try URL open. Okay, let's deal this problem later. I'm gonna write it somewhere, huh? How to read local file. Okay, let's deal it later.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
Fine.
okay, now this cell is useless, so you guys can delete. Click on this cell, you guys can delete this cell. Okay, okay, so the thing is, we just got some stuff here, but this stuff is still very much ugly, very much not readable for us. So what we can do now, we are going to use Beautiful Soup. Okay, so Beautiful Soup, we need a library bs4. From the bs4 module, we need to import Beautiful Soup. BEAUTI beauty FUL full SOUP soup. Okay, there is a suggestion. This is a suggestion, but okay, just pay attention. In the Beautiful Soup, B and S are in the uppercase. Okay, so in Beautiful Soup, I want to, let's define it. SOUP soup is equal to BEAUTI same thing, soup bracket. See, this is kind of convention, not the convention, is a rule. Whenever you import something, you need to define it. Like I import URL open here, then I define it. What is URL open? Same goes for here. I import Beautiful Soup. Now I am defining it. Okay, I am setting all the parameter, everything. Okay, so what I want this Beautiful Soup. I want this. I want to beautify this stuff, this all HTML. So X. So I am gonna use X. Beautiful Soup X and then we use a parser, html dot parser. What is parser? Parser is some kind of library, ready-made library or tool which can understand the language, which can make some sense from the language. Okay, see here we have lot of html, but it is not very much very good formatted. So what the parser makes sense from the that html stuff. Soup, let's print it. I am sure there will be lot of mistake. Okay, it is working. Soup is defined, but why it is not printing? Let's try print soup. It is not printing. The reason is it doesn't have the that url and stuff, because I define my url before importing Beautiful Soup. So I need to redo some stuff here. I need to define it again, copy, paste. So the thing is, after importing this library, you need to redefine your url. Now I hope it will work. Run it. It is throwing some error. What's the error? I don't want to go in. No, it is not error. This is the exact stuff. See, this is the stuff. Division including Wikipedia, something, Chile wildlife fire. This is the exact stuff. ULLI. This is the exact stuff which is here. Okay, maybe not exact. So let's do some more work. Better write here read, x dot read. Okay, because we already use x dot read above, which give me some whole html data. So what I want, I already have that html whole html data. I want to make it look better. So just I am gonna work on x dot read. Let's do it again. Same stuff, same stuff. No, yeah, it is better here. See, now I have full html page and content is same. Content is same, history of loss, slogan, reason, whatever it is. Okay, content is same. So that's how we bring all the html stuff in my local system. Okay, this is the same html, but it is little bit better. We can read it. There are some proper tags and stuff. It is easily readable. Okay, so this is, I just bring all the html content in my python notebook. If anyone have any doubt, you can ask and try it in your system. This is the code. Try it. We generally, there is no need to write the code 2 times. So what we do, we generally write the code in this manner, copy and paste here. So the steps are, just pay attention once. So the steps are, we first download this, we first import this library, url open, it work on my url. Then we import this library, Beautiful Soup. It make stuff, it beautify stuff, and it also help us in search. Then we define our url, and then we put that stuff which I gain from url inside the Beautiful Soup, and we apply this parser, so it can make some sense in the html, and then we simply print it. And I think there is no need to print soup. This will also work. Okay, since I define soup here, so it will work. Let's see. Yeah, it is working. Okay, yeah, now anyone wanna ask anything, you can ask. Try it in your system and ask me questions.
Is there any difference between x dot read and simply x?
Yeah, there is some difference, as I show you. When I put x, then x is also giving me content, but not the very proper. Let's see. Array, it is the same. Okay, okay, then I think there is no difference, but let me try one thing here. X is already defined, so let me just write x here. run it. Okay, here X is throwing some problem. Okay, see, here is the thing, run time. Here you can run all the cells. See, here X read is giving me different data and X is giving me a single line, so it's better to use X dot read.
Okay.
Okay, and maybe here X is or X read is giving the same data because of this HTML parser, but it's better to use X dot read. This X is a variable, you can write anything here, URL. So I mean, you got the idea, but read is a function or method, so yeah, you need to write read. Okay guys, just work on it and tell me. You can use any other website, you can.
So the difference previously and this one is it is giving it in a particular nice format.
Yeah, format is the important thing. And also the thing is, once I define the soup here now I can use this soup to find lot of things, find lot of tags. I will show you in the few seconds.
Okay,
Okay,
I've done so.
We are
okay,
using HTML parser to read, right?
yeah,
Read the
yeah,
HTML code.
yeah. There are other parsers too. One is LXML and one is HTML5lib. I think I am right. I think this is something. Okay, so HTML5lib is quite advanced. Let me first try if it is proper thing or not. Okay, HTML5lib, HTML5lib. There are lot of library, there are lot of parser and stuff. Yeah, it is also working. HTML5lib is also good. Okay, you can use any one of any three of these: LXML, HTML5lib, and HTML dot parser. Maybe there are more, so I don't know. There are a lot of library for the same thing. There are a lot of modules. Okay, so you can use any one of it. Is this piece of code is
The
clear?
format is different.
Yeah, that's what I am looking. Yeah, little bit format is different. It is giving some indentations, some proper indentations. So that's the little bit difference. Core functionality are generally same. It also depends on you, which someone like using some library, someone you like some other library. So it is totally up to you. Core functionality should be the same, which is same. Okay. Yeah, everyone. Just tell me how many of you have some problem here. Ritik, where to find yesterday recording? I provide the recording to IIT support team. They will upload it soon. Abhishek Pandit is not a file. Okay, man. Okay, everyone, just tell me if it is done or not. Is this stuff clear? I mean, am I making any sense or it is just very random thing?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, nice. Yeah, that's the thing, man. Just some of you just open your mic and say something to me. It gives me motivation. It's like that I am working with real people, huh?
So
Chalo.
both the options are throwing the same result. Only thing is Beautiful Soup gives us in a particular neat way. That's it.
Yeah, for now that's the thing.
For
Yeah,
now, yeah.
but now I am gonna use Beautiful Soup to find something. Let's see.
Okay.
See, first open our this HTML this stuff. Now see, okay, so what now? I find all the HTML here, but what's the point? I can find all the HTML here also, so why I am just using this much energy and having a whole session? So the thing is, Beautiful Soup also make our life easy. See, this is the first important thing. Soup, SOUP soup. I wanna find something specific. What I wanna find? Let's say I wanna find uh, head. Okay. So what I can do in the Beautiful soup. Why soup? Because I define it as a soup. You can write anything. You can write your name Radha. You can write my name Amit. Whatever you want. Okay. This is a variable. So soup. Now I want soup to find me the titles. Title. Okay. Soup title. Let's see if it will run or not. It is running. It is running. Soup, Beautiful Soup, find me the neatly title 2024 Chile wildfires. Is it the real title? Yes. I am working on the title now. Yeah, head, and inside head there is a title 2024 Chile wildfire hyphen Wikipedia. This is what my beautiful soup gave me. Okay, so the thing soup dot title, I just put the tag. Yesterday I taught you about the tag, right? I just, okay, someone is typing something. Can someone read what is the message? Okay, if you provide drive link of recording, that will be better. Ritik, just try to understand me, bro. You are in the session. Leave the recordings. Who cares? You know, just try to understand it. If you have any problem, just ask me, and write your own code. I give all the recording to IIT team. They will upload it very soon. I hope so. Okay. So guys, the idea is, if you are gonna write some specific tag here, you guys know what is tag. If you are gonna write some specific tag here, then it will give you the some result. Okay, is it clear? But there is one catch. Let's see what the catch. Let's see. I want to see anchor tag. There must be some anchor tag. Okay, this is here. This Valporosio O Higgins, whatever it is. Let's analyze it here, somewhere here. These are the anchor tag. I want these anchor tag, so I am gonna write soup dot a. Okay, I am gonna run it. Oh my god, there is only one single result. How is it possible? Because there are thousands, and if not thousand, then at least 500. Yesterday we run the Kevin Bacon page. You remember? There are nearly 500 of tags, anchor tag. So why it is giving only one anchor tag? Because when we don't define, when we just write a single tag, it just gives us the first instance. So if you are gonna look into the page, this anchor tag A is the first use of anchor tag. See, somewhere here, current event है ना, jump to content. Okay, so it is here, jump to content, the very top tag. Okay, it is giving me the only the first tag. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir, it
Yes.
is clear.
Okay, so if I am not going to specify
This is like CSS, right?
huh, what?
So this is like CSS, not HTML.
No, this is HTML. Why CSS? CSS used for styling. I taught you yesterday na, HTML A tag is used in HTML for providing the link,
Yes, sir.
है ना?
Since class was there, so
क्या, what repeat?
there is a class equals.
Class are attribute. I will explain it soon, huh? But for now, just okay. You are talking about this class. Yeah, maybe this is CSS or maybe JavaScript. I don't know. But yeah, for now, A is a tag. Okay, is it clear, everyone? So what I did, is it clear now? You guys just try something on your own. Define something as a soup or whatever you want to give a name. Soup is convention, so anyone can understand. Okay, this is beautiful soup.
I gave soup dot head,
Huh? And
so
you
it
got
was
something?
giving me a big paragraph.
L-
मतलब
huh,
lot
huh.
of stuff.
Yeah, of course, it will give you. See, soup dot head. So why this?
Yeah,
So
head
why?
is
So why this much stuff? You try to figure it out. Why this much stuff?
because under in between the head tag
Yeah,
closing and opening, whatever is there, it is all getting
exactly. That's the answer. Okay. So whatever inside the specific tag, first remember first instance, first appearance of that tag, you will get all the data outside. I mean, you will get all the data. Okay. If I'm gonna check image, if there is an image, of course there must be some image, and here this is the image. Uh, some static image Wikipedia icon. You know, the top image for the Wikipedia is this Wikipedia icon. Okay, so no matter which tag you are gonna give, p tag, you remember p tag paragraph, we were talking about it yesterday. Okay, so this is a p tag which is very much empty. We were talking about some h1 tag, you remember guys, yesterday h1 was our Batman stuff. So here h1 tag is chili wildfire, which is, of course, which is correct. This is the h1 tag chili wildfire. Is it clear, everyone? Someone please open your mic and say
yes,
something.
yes,
Yeah,
yes,
nice.
yes.
Okay, so I just told you something. Now next step. So what if Amit, I want to see all text related to A. For now I am using soup A, which is giving me the first tag. What if I want to read all A tag? For it, my function is soup dot find underscore all bracket a. Okay, let's run it. And here and here you got lots of tags, and this is what Wikipedia is full of tag, especially anchor tag. Okay, so this is the stuff. See, first one is the same, jump to the content, है ना, and then you have lots of tag. Is it clear? Find all is a really useful tool. Find all, you can get all the stuff related to that tag. I can also do it. uh, let's say soup, I want to know how many images are there. Soup find all, and for the image which tag I should use, someone who's gonna tell me which tag.
IMG.
Nice, what's your name?
Radha.
Oh, Radha, nice. Okay, so I am just gonna see lot of images there. I cannot read all the images, so what I am gonna do, I can just define it as a, let's say, picture, picture picture is equal to something. Then in the next cell, I can just write this Python code. What is the code? Print bracket len of picture. Okay, and run it. I will get the exact number. There are total 10 images in my this specific Wikipedia page. Okay, so that's how we can work. Just tell me, is it clear? This find all stuff is clear or not? And please guys, do it with me, you know, take your time. No
So,
worry. Uh-huh.
so what happens when we soup.find?
Soup dot find.
Or,
Okay, actually this thing is very much soup dot find, but let's do it. Seeing is believing, huh? Let's do it. uh, soup dot find dot a. It will not work. Why? We need to define a inside find, and also in inverted comma. Now it will give me only single instance, the first instance. So find dot a is very much like soup dot a. Okay, if we want all the appearance of the specific tag, then I need to write find underscore all. Okay,
okay.
nice. Guys, try it and tell me something absurd, tell me something different, ask me some different question which I don't even know. That's how we both gonna learn, huh? Chalo, just try it. 2 3 minutes, 2 minute time. Try all these stuff. Find this, find all. Okay, and then I have a question for you. 2 minute time, do it, then I'm gonna ask the question.
Sir, can you show the import part?
Yes, please. Here.
Beautiful soup import part.
Yes, it's here. These two lines are for import.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
So I missed the initial part, so I have joined just now. Is there anything?
Yeah, well, it's been 50 minutes into the session, so yeah, we did little bit stuff. I will give you the summary. The thing we are talking about, the web scraping. So we just download these two library. One is URL library. It helps us to bring content in the URL to our Python. Second is Beautiful Soup. It helps us to modify our code into a proper format, and also it helps us to read or search the code. First we define our URL. Inside this URL open, this is a function which open the whatever inside the URL. I provide this random URL here. Any URL, you can use any URL, not only Wikipedia but any website you want.
Yes.
Okay, then I use this soup. I define this soup. Whatever I am getting here, whatever this URL is getting, I just apply url.read function, and then I am using this parser. This is a library which makes some sense in the code, which clear our code, which give our code a proper format. Then I just print soup. No need to write print. only soup is enough. Okay, then after we use, now we have this HTML content, but what's the point of having this much HTML content? We can get all this content here easily. But we can,
Yes, yes.
है ना, we can get all this content here in the inspect element. So what's the point?
Mhm.
The point is we can use the soup, beautiful soup, to search something. Like I just put soup dot title, so it is giving me
Right.
the first appearance of the title. I am writing soup dot h1, it is giving me the first appearance of h1. Are you familiar with HTML?
Yeah, little bit, sir. Yeah, I
Yeah.
have learned long time
Okay,
back.
what's your name?
Yeah. My name is Pratap.
Oh, Pratap, I remember Perumalli Pratap, huh? You were here
Right,
yesterday
right.
also.
Exactly.
Yeah, nice. So okay, so this is, so these are the tag. As soon as I am writing a tag, it is giving me the first appearance of that tag. But what if there are more than one tag? Like, you know, in Wikipedia page there are thousands, not thousands, but at least hundreds of a anchor tag. So for it I need to write find all, find underscore all a. So it is giving me all the appearance of a tag. Okay, so that's what I have been teaching here. Just fundamental stuff. Okay, if you have any problem, you can ask.
Yes, sir. So you said it could be recorded and we can get.
Yeah, I put it on the recording. I will give.
Yesterday's recording I couldn't find, sir.
No, it is not uploaded. I give the link to the IIT team, but today is Friday, then Saturday, Sunday, so office is closed. So I hope they will upload it on the Monday. You will find it. You will
We
surely.
can.
If not there, then I will just make a public drive. Okay.
Yeah, through Discourse we can access, sir.
Ha ha.
From the
Okay.
Discourse.
Okay. So now I hope all of you guys understand this topic. Now tell me. There is a question for you. There are 10 instance of image tag. There are, the image tag is used 10 times. Who's gonna give me the answer? Which is, how can I find exactly fifth image? How can I find exactly fifth image? Just use simple Python and give me the answer.
Picture bracket file.
Just do it and copy paste your answer here in the chat box. Okay, give index. Nice, Dutra. Do it, but try to do it, man. Give me proper code. I'm gonna try your code here. Don't do it this like picture. What is picture for? Nothing is picture for. Just write your proper code and show me that you can run it. Come on, man. Okay, there are some problems. Find all picture with size less than specific KB. Okay. Okay, I will try it. I don't know how to do it. I will try it. Someone write the whole code here. Soap dot nice Akash. That's the proper answer. That's a really good, very good. Image, what is this? Multiply by 5. Is it working? I don't think it's gonna work. Let me check.
No, no, I just gave it. Maybe
See,
it won't work.
okay.
Yes, but
See,
we can
see,
give it.
see the stuff. Just pay attention on this. This is okay. Leave the. Okay, let's do it again. Huh? See, soup dot find all, and tag is, let's say, image tag. Now just pay attention. I want to show you something. Pay attention on the start. Which type of start is this? That is square bracket, and we use square bracket in the list. So which means this whole stuff is giving me output as a list. Maybe I can use that type function. Type element result set. Okay, no, that's not what I wanna see. Well,
Yeah, it's a set, no, sir. It's not a.
yeah, but it is, all the function of the list are working here. See, if I'm gonna write it third, it will give me the specifically the fourth graphic of the globe with red analog clock, which is your fourth image here. First, second. Oh, here. This is also image. So this is your fourth image. I don't know how, but okay, this is your fourth image. So, so it is working as a list. See, these square bracket now. These square bracket indicate list. This is your first instance, then comma, then second. So this is a list. Okay, so yeah, the answer is easy. Since it's a list, you can use this function. Fifth, you just got your sixth appearance of image. Is it clear?
If we just take one picture, the length is coming out to be 0.
Yeah, if yeah, of course, if you wanna first, you need to write 0. If you are gonna see, if I'm gonna write 10, then it will show error. Why so? I have 10 images. I prove it here. I have 10 images, but why not 10? Because in
But
Python,
the index should be only till 9
yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
maximum.
6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 9. Okay,
So if we just use soup.find image, not find all.
if you are going to use find image, then it will and you are going to use some index, it will throw some error. Why? Because find image is just a single answer, one, so it cannot give you uh, let's try it. Soup dot find bracket image image. Okay, so it is only single line of answer. And if you are gonna put something here, first thing, I doubt that this square will work because this is not a list, but let's say 2, it will throw some error. Yeah, it is not just out of index error, it is quite huge error because our answer is not list. See, our answer is not list here, you know. Okay, chalo, just
And if you find the length, it is coming out to be 0.
no, I think
The
the
length.
length will be 1. Length will be 1. You guys can do some
I
experience
tried.
experiment by yourself, no. See, let's try it.
No. Yeah, I got 0. That's
Yeah, length is 0 because there is at least uh, something, at least some stuff is here now. You guys can do all this experiment by
I
yourself
thought it
also.
should be 1.
Hmm? Oh yeah, length is 0, it should be 1. I don't know why. Length, so find image, maybe I can convert it into a string, then it will give the correct answer. Let's see, 117 strings are there. Okay, it is a length. No. Okay, if I can convert it into some.
Sir, it is not a list.
Yeah, it is not a list, it is just a series of string, so that's why. But okay, if I can convert it here is to list, and okay, I need to make a empty list, then append this stuff, then I can find the length. So it's a tedious process when we already know that soup.find image gonna give me only one answer, one line answer. Okay, anyone, any other question? Okay, so mhm.
Sir, can we display a specific image?
No, you cannot display image here in the Python, or maybe you can display image, but you need to use some another library. But
Oh,
he-
okay.
I mean, I will find it. I also don't know the answer. Can be display image? I will check it. Okay. Okay. Any other question? Okay, guys. Just do a one thing. Just within 5 minutes, try to write the whole code by yourself, and use any other website. Okay, and just try to write the whole code yourself. Just try to use all these find all, this length, this specific, and just do it in 5 minutes. Just do it and tell me if there are some problem. This is your fundamental code. Use it and just start working on it. Find me something which is unsolvable. 5 minutes of time, then we will move forward on some little bit harder topic. Just write a code from scratch by yourself. If anyone wanna share their screen, show their screen, then most welcome. Ritik question: how to find all images with size less than some specific KB? Let me check it. I don't think there are some size in HTML here. See, I am clicking this image and size is not here. There are some pixel size, that height and width, but not KB size. So I cannot find some image based on the KB size.
By height and width, we can find some.
Yeah, we can find it. We can find with the help of this attribute. We can find. We will try it. Okay. But what's the point? First, you need to pinpoint this very specific thing. I mean, we can find theoretically, but it's practically no use. But okay, we will try it. Good question. Let's try it. Okay, so yeah, Ritik, we cannot do it from Beautiful Soup URL. Okay. Okay, Shahala, are you still getting some error from input URL open? This code seems right to me. I don't know why it is throwing error. Yes, someone wanna say something? Shahala, your mic is open, but we cannot hear you. Only disturbance. You can type. You can type. Arjit, uh, say I have a division tag I want and anchor tag inside it. How? Yeah, we will discuss it. We will discuss it. Feature not found, could not find a tree builder with the feature you requested, HTML5 lib. Okay, then you can use any other parser. You can use HTML.parser, or you can use uh, LXML. Okay, feature could not find the tree. This is not HTML underscore parser, HTML dot parser. No need to install. All these things are available in the Colab, HTML dot parser. Okay, and you can close your mic. There are some disturbance type of thing. Yes, and use it and tell me if it is working or not. Yeah, it is fine. These two things are fine. That parser stuff are inbuilt in very much in Beautiful Soup. Okay. Okay, tell me, Shala, is it working or not? Anyone else who is facing some problem? Anyone wanna share their screen? Come on, guys, don't be shy. You can share your achievement here. Still, I'm getting error. Okay, send me your whole code. Copy paste your whole code. I'm gonna run it here. Copy paste your whole code, Shala. Without it, it is working. You use it inside inverted comma. Let me check.
Or I can share my screen.
Okay, nice, Radha. Quite a daring man. Nice, nice. Okay. Oh, it's Mohan. Okay, I don't know who is sharing. It's Radha
No,
now.
I'm sharing.
Okay, it's Radha now.
Are you able to see the screen?
Yeah, I am able to see the screen. Shala, your parser has 2R, so that's maybe the cause. Okay, just correct it. Yes, this is good. This is good. You are using. Okay, there is no need to write everything in a single cell. That's why we have thousands of cells. Just try to, because the reason is, if there is some mistake, like let's say your code is not working, so how can you pinpoint it? If you are gonna write your code in different cells, then you can understand, okay, this cell is throwing the error. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's good. It's good. It's quite nice. Let me check. You are finding this HD. What is HD?
No, I've just given
Header.
a variable name for the
Oh
head
yeah.
tag.
Okay. You are writing the length. Okay, fine, fine. It's good that you are tinkering. You are experimenting. It's nice. Anyone else? Good work, Radha. Yeah, Shahala now working. That's cool. Okay, guys. The important thing, you guys just pay attention on the typos.
I have some problem. Can I share the screen
Yeah,
with
yeah,
you now?
yeah. Sure, Subramaniam. Sure.
Able to see the screen?
Yeah, we can see. Mm-hmm. URL lib request import URL open. So what can see the problem? Beautiful soup. Soup, I emphasize on it. B for capital B and capital S in soup. Okay, typo. Correct it and it will work fine. Beautiful soup.
Capital B and capital S, huh?
Yeah, capital S. Anyone else is facing some mistakes, or maybe some discovery. If you guys are working on it, just try to put some different stuff. I mean,
No, sir, it's not corrected.
it is correct. See, there is a tick there. Okay, and now you need to first define what is the soup. You just write soup dot find a, but what is soup? You need to define it now. You see the problem in your code. You just import library, you never give URL, you never read URL, you never define soup. So how can your code will work?
You have to define a soup, huh?
Yeah, of course, man. First,
Capital S, huh?
not small s. It is totally up to you. This is a variable, but the problem is, where is your URL? What is your URL? You don't even have a URL. First you need to find a URL, then you need to read that URL. After it you can use that URL into soup.
Yeah, URL is, yeah, I joined the first line, urllib.
No, there is some sequence. You first need to import the library, then you need to define the URL, then you need to read the URL. Only then you can do all this finding stuff.
Oh, okay.
I mean, just think now. You cannot see. If I have a page, I write you a letter, and I am asking you, ki Subramaniam, find the mistake in my letter. But the catch is, I never send you that letter. Can you do it?
No.
That's the thing. First, you need to open that URL. First, you need to read it. Then only you can find something inside it now. So first, you need to open the library, import the library, open the URL, read the URL. Then you can do all this soup and find and search stuff. Okay. Okay. Okay, so just work on it. Okay, you can stop your screen share. Just work on it and tell us, is it
right.
Okay? Anyone else? We have 26 people other than Radha and Subramaniam. Come on, man. Maybe all of you are very shy. Okay, leave it. Shall I proceed? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, man. Now we just use on. Okay. Now a question. Someone asked, if there is a division, inside it there is an image, then what can I do? Okay, so let's study it here. Here we have this table, inside we have this table row. Okay, so how I am gonna read it?
You didn't share the screen.
Oh, sorry, my bad. It's good that you just told me. Okay, is it visible? Sorry, my stupidity. Here.
Yes.
What? Yes, my stupidity.
No, screen is visible.
It's fine. It's fine. Okay, so we have a table here. Inside table we have some table rows. Okay, so let's work on it. What if there is a tag inside a tag? Okay, so let's work on it. Soup dot table. Let's do find all table. Find all and a table. Okay, run it, and you can see there are lots of tables, but I want some specific table. Okay, there are lots of tables, so let's say I want just first table. Okay, so here let's pinpoint the first table. First table is here. Inside first table I want tables row. So how can I pinpoint the table row? Just go step by step. Okay, let me do it in the next cell. Copy and see, inside the table I pinpoint the first table. Now I want to go to the first row, so I am gonna write find all rows. How can I show the row? TR. We discuss this tomorrow now. TR means table row. Run it, and yes, there is some table row, but there are lots of table row. I want first table row, so 0. Now this is first table row. It's still lot of stuff. Okay, so we discuss this tomorrow, that inside table row there are columns. Okay, we discuss this tomorrow now. In each table row there are some specific number of column. So what is a column? Column are denoted as table data, TD. So find all TD. See, I am working step by step, one tag inside other tag inside other tag. So this is first table and then first table row, and then lot of TDs. There are many columns, so I can just write first column TD0. See, this is my first column here. Okay, and now if I want to read which, there are still lot of stuff. If I want to read what is the text content here, then I can just write text. Okay, there is no text. Let me try again. Okay, there is no text. Okay, there is no text. Maybe in another column, let's say in third row, let's say third row. Okay, there is no third row. First row, it is just 0 row. Okay, but you can see, is there any text? This is bracket, there is no text. See, this is TD, and there is no text.
There is two dots.
There is image, and there are dot where I cannot see it. Source of image.
No,
सर एंकर टैग में टेक्स्ट होता है सर.
नहीं नहीं, टेक्स्ट कहीं पे भी हो सकता है यार, एंकर टैग में भी होता है, कई बार बीच में होता है ना. देयर आर सम टाइम व्हेन वी गिव सम एल्ट टेक्स्ट, कि if image is not you cannot show the image, then just show some alternative text, so that text. Okay, but there is no text, there are only tags here. Okay, but that's the method, that's how you can go inside one tag inside another tag. Okay, we can pinpoint it. Let's do it some interesting. Let's see, I wanna find this stuff, record heat. Okay, so you can see this is a, so how can I find record heat? This is a table, inside table this is a table row, inside table row there is some unordered list, है ना. So I can just write my code in this way. I can find one thing inside another thing. Okay, are you guys got the idea? This idea, I mean, maybe you are getting the right answer or not, it's okay, but the important thing is idea. We use soup. Inside soup I find all the tables, then I specify a table, then I find all the table row, then I specify first table row, then I find all the table data, which is columns, then I specify it. Okay, you guys got the idea now, how to go step by step, the hierarchy. Is it clear? Someone have any doubt?
We are looking for an element in 0th row and 0th column.
What? There are no 0th column.
No, we are looking for a,
No, for now I am just telling you about the
zero.
yeah, I am just telling you about the hierarchy. If I want to find something, then I can go in very specific method. What will be my method? First I find stuff here with help of this tool. Okay, this below this dotted thing. Okay, so how web scraping work? We already know what we are looking for. Okay, see, I want this number, some billion number. Okay, so I can work here. So let's see, let's show if I can pinpoint this stuff or not. Okay, you guys can also work, just try to pinpoint this stuff, and we are gonna share our code in the chat box. Okay, so let's work on it. Where is my code? Okay. This is interesting thing, you guys can split your screen, so it's easy to work. You just need to drag out this tab and just press this button, Windows and right arrow. Okay, let's work on it. Soup dot find all. Just try yourself, guys, everyone, please try yourself. Let's see who is gonna find it first.
What is it we are trying here now?
We are trying to pinpoint this thing, this. Okay, let's try, everyone. If anyone have any problem, you can ask. Okay, but just try it, because I am also trying. And important thing, there are no rules in web scraping. Everyone has their own style. Maybe you guys can find something better than which I can ever imagine.
Are you going to teach today how to use the class?
Yeah, I will do it, but first learn the tag. If you think you are proficient in tag, then find this number, and as soon as you are going to find it, I'm going to start teaching the class.
You're
No,
finding that
I
billion,
don't know.
right?
What? Who said
So we
I
are
don't know?
finding the billion.
Yeah, yeah, finding this whole number, this string. Who just said I don't know?
I don't know how to use the class.
You know how to use the tag?
No, no, I don't know how to use the class.
Bro, what I'm asking, do you know how to use the tag?
Tag I know how to use.
Okay, then find it to me, show me the code, and we will start class. As soon as you find it, I stop this stuff and we will talk about class. Okay, just write, show me the code. Okay, someone already did it. That's fast. Oh, that's cool. Let me check. Man, this is really fast. How you did it? Ah, it is Internet Encyclopedia. Array, we need to find that number. But this is good. This is good. Actually, nice effort, man. Nice effort. Someone.
We are finding the element in the zeroth row and second row and
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
zeroth first one.
What?
So in the table we wrote find underscore all and tr of two, right? So this indicates the second, I mean the third row.
Yeah, this table 0, it indicates the first table. TR2 is indicate the third row, and this is about the first column. Third row, first column. Hmm? What was it? Someone wanna ask something? Are you guys working on it?
Yes,
Right.
yes.
Nice,
So
nice, nice.
I sent a code.
Okay, okay, cool. David, Kevin. Oh, yesterday we were talking about the Kevin. Okay, so list is out of range, brother. Something is out of range. I don't know what. Maybe this TR. This is 6. 6 seems very high number. Something is out of range.
So can I share my screen? So
Yes, yes,
it's
yes, you can.
showing for me.
Yes. Share your screen. And don't call me sir. I am just
Oh
Amit.
yes. Sorry.
Amit is fine, yeah, huh? Yeah, nice. Okay.
So
Wow,
here,
it is working for you. How it is possible?
yes, it's working for me.
But why we both are
No, but
using same?
so my soup, I've defined it like this.
Uh-huh. This is nice. Okay, you use little bit different. You use read at the last, but it is fine. That's fine.
Yes, so it's the same, and I
Uh-huh.
don't know why it's working here. It's not working
Okay.
here.
But one thing is
I think
clear.
it's the different link.
Is a different link? No, no, no. This is the same number. 4.39 billion estimated. है ना? Also the link is same. 2024 Chile wildfire.
Work, working for me as well.
Yeah. Okay. Vishwas. Who said Vishwas? No. Okay. Okay. So the thing is, you guys got the idea. Okay. So I am not gonna explain it more. Let's just talk about the class now. Okay. So I think you guys know about how to find something with the help of tag. My screen is visible, right? Okay. My screen is visible. So let's work. Let's work on the class. Okay. See. Here in the table there is a class. Okay. So how can we find class? Okay. So let's talk about it. Where is my screen? There is my screen. Increase it. So see. So what happened? I am deleting this cell because it is not working. It will cause problem. Okay. So let's talk about the class. See, the idea is we have two things here. We have tag here. Now you guys are very much expert by finding something with the help of tag. But as we were discussing, there are a lot of table, and we don't have time to pinpoint the each table. So if you look closely, there is some attribute is connected with this tag, which is class, and there is a name of this class, info box v event. Okay, let me show you something. Let me show you something here. Control F. Yes, here Control F, and here I am going to write table, table table here, and you can see there are 14 table. Okay, see, there are 14 table, and some tables are inside it. I mean, what if I want to pinpoint some specific table? So I can use this class. There is a table. The class is box current plain link something. There is another table. Class is info box v event. There is another table maybe somewhere. The class is now wrap link something. So finding something with the help of class is quite easy. I mean, finding something with the help of attribute is good. So let's find something with the help of attribute. Someone sent some message. Okay, Ritik Roshan, Prashant. Okay, nice. Ritik, this is very long code. Okay, we will discuss it later. Prashant, I getting error when I use it. Okay, we will discuss about it. Okay, first just try to understand the class stuff. Okay, so here where I was, yeah, this is a table. I want to specific table which have this class. Okay, so let's see how can we write it. Let me copy paste it. Okay, I am just copy this class stuff. Okay, I just copy the class name. Now pay attention here. Soup. Okay, dot find underscore all. What I want to find? I want to find table. So first I need to write the name of the tag, table table. Okay, I need to write the tag. Then inside this curly bracket, I need to define my attribute. So what was my attribute? My attribute was a class. Okay, my attribute was a class, is a class, basically is a class. And then I need to define what is the specific, what is the speciality of my attribute. So what I am doing here, see, try to understand. My method is soup dot find all. You guys know why I am using soup, you guys know why I am using all. Then I need to define my tag. Okay, then I need to define my class. Okay, and then I need to define this text of class. And it's not only class. If there is id, then I can write id. If there is some division, I can write division. Okay, so let's see if it will work or not. I'm gonna run it. It is giving me some curly braces. Let me check why it is giving me some square braces here. abc table, and there is a whole list of, it should give me the whole list of table info box, it should give me the home info box event table class info box.
Sir, you used colon. Uh, can we use equal to sign after class?
No, I think it is colon here because we are using this equal sign will cause error. No,
Okay.
let's see what time. Yeah, it is running but it is not printing. Okay, let me try something. Let's say abc is equal to,
Same code is working for me. I don't know why.
this code is working for you.
Yeah.
share
It's
us your
also working for me.
share us your code, man. Show us your code.
So for me as well, it's the same code as yours.
What I am writing is the same. Man, why it is not working for me? Let me run all the cells, huh? Run all, maybe it will work. It is not working for me, I don't know why. It is working for you, huh? This is the standard code and there is no error. If there is error, it should not run. So let me try. Any other people? Just try it and tell me if it is working or not.
Yeah, this is
It
working.
is working. You know what's the problem? I just delete, I just add some, I just add some code here na from the shala है ना, when I was running it. So that's why it was not working. Now it is working. Okay, yeah, I mean the code is correct. So this is because this is the format, this is how you write something. ABC, I mean no need to write ABC, I can just write it simply here and it is working. I hope, yeah, it is working fine. Okay, so what I did, soup dot find all, we need to define the tag, and then inside tag if there is some specific class then we can work on that class. Okay, just take one more example. After it I think it will be enough. Just take one more example. See, something different, something different. Okay, there are many images, not, if not many then there are sufficiently 2 or 3 images. We just counted, there are 4 or 10 images है ना. So just check it. I want this specific image. How can I find this specific image? Not by image tag, because by using image tag I can find 10 images. So how can I find it? Image tag src. Either I can use this src stuff or I can use this width and height stuff. Someone was asking me, can we find something by width and height? Let's try it. Okay, you guys also try. At this point many of you are better coder than me. So all, first tag which is image, second that curly braces, and I want to find this width, width 220, width and 220. I think I can write number as it is. And what's the height? Height is 396, HEIGST. What's the number? 396. 396. Okay, let me try. I hope it will work. Yeah, it is working. Okay, Ritik, that's your answer. Yeah, we can find something. No, it was not. Ritik was asking what KB. Someone else. Someone else. Okay. So yeah, I can find this image with the help of exact size, है ना? So that's how. Yeah, and the important thing, I use 2 attributes here. I use 2 classes here. Is it clear? This is type of your dictionary. Inside that curly braces, I can use. I can define many attributes. Is it clear? Anyone? Everyone? कोई बोलो यार.
What if we have two images of the same width and height.
Of course, if there are two images of same, then you will find two image. You will find two stuff here, you know. Yeah. I mean, your code doesn't have a brain. It's just gonna do whatever you are gonna direct, you know. So it will, yeah. If there are two images of the same specifications, then you will get both of them. If you are
If
using
I put
find out,
only width alone, it should show, right?
let me try.
Uh, because I put only that and it was showing me an error.
No, it is showing, but it is showing two things. In my case, it is showing this is one image title, this is another image title.
But for me, what?
Are you using the
For me, it is showing an error.
are you using the proper convention like the this inverted comma, this curly braces, colon?
Yeah, whatever you have typed, maybe there's some space or some. 1 second, I'm just checking.
Space is fine, but
With colon 20, is it? Okay.
yeah, this is colon
I put.
colon.
I think I put equal to.
No, equal doesn't work here.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so yeah, if I enter width, only width,
Yeah.
there are two images with
Got
the
it.
same width. So yeah, okay.
And one more thing, the
Huh?
previously you had put that class. You said table class info box
Huh?
event.
Huh?
Suppose the same problem which you said, no, that billion, the word billion,
Billion.
that particular word.
Huh?
Suppose we want to choose that.
Okay.
How do you do it? Because the class you have identified. Under
Yeah.
that, we'll have to go for the TR, right?
Yeah, actually that text, that billion text is a text. Okay, see, if
Correct.
I'm gonna write here, see, just pay attention, text. I hope it will work. Actually the thing is there are so
Okay,
many.
then no, we can do that. It is under the class. It is in the tag TD under the class info box data.
Mhm.
So how do we just pinpoint that?
Let me see that billion word, no.
Yeah, dollar 4.39
Uh-huh.
billion.
Nice, let me check. Okay, so it is okay. Yeah, here you need to just write it, try it, because I also don't know, I also need to try, so it's
Okay,
better if you
fine.
try, you know. I am
Okay,
also gonna try it.
yeah.
Nice music, man. Who's there? Okay, let me take some messages. Arey Ritik, why are you writing this much Python code? Cost in string. Prashant, David, Shala. Oh, Shala was suggesting me that you have changed your soup. Okay, Ritik, text to search cost. Is it working, Ritik? This code, text to search cost. Ritik, let me try. This is first time seeing me such code.
Amit,
Huh? Yeah.
like, what is class in HTML? Like, can recap it?
What? Class in HTML.
Yeah.
Okay, so the thing is, see, like we are using table. Table is a tag. Okay, but there are thousands of table. I mean, not thousand, but at least more than two or three. So class is some kind of, we just add some attribute here which used to define, uh, which become a property. And also inside class we can also give it the CSS element. Let's say if you know about the CSS is used for styling. Okay, so we can create another file for CSS and define this class. Inside this class we can write attribute like the height and length of this table. Okay, and then we can add class here. So class is an attribute. It's like some feature, some property. Okay, see, like this, see, I am clicking on class.info box. When I am clicking it, you can see element style, and you can see the style element, color, margin, padding. If I can change the color, if I uncheck it, color become different, or the margin. See, I uncheck the margin and it become different. See, so this is a different. Okay, so here class is for styling. This, is it clear? Is it clear? I don't know who was asking, but is it
Yeah,
clear?
so we, yeah, so we can use it to find also, right? Like
Yeah,
a
yeah,
reference.
yeah. We can use it to find, like we just did it. Your format must be right, na, and you can use it. You can Ritik was saying something. You can replace cost with date, total fire, total area, etc. Okay. In HTML class can have more than one value, right? Yes, yes. I just show you here. Arjit. I just show it here. I add two values, width and height. Here, see, here is a width and I use it height. And if I'm gonna run it, see, they both are working and it give me the proper answer. So yeah, we can use two or more classes. Okay, okay, let me run this code from Ritik.
Here width is class and height is a class.
Both are class. I mean, it is just some kind of attribute. Attribute can be anything, either it's class, it can be written as a width, it can be written as a height, it can be written as a id, it can be written as a division. Okay, just remember this is a tag, and inside tag it can be any attribute, it can be any class, any division. Attribute is a better word. Okay, okay, Ritik, this
So
is
it will be defined as class equals
huh.
and the name of the class, right? So it is, class will be defined as class equals
Yeah, I just write
the
it here
name
just
of
to,
the class.
yeah, just for a better understanding. Either it can be anything, it can be id. See, it can be here. Let's say here in the table it is using as a class. Okay, but here in the td it is written as a colon span. You can use it, you can use it, call column span 2. You can also use it. You can also use href. Okay, you can also use href, you can also use src. These are not tags. Tags are image, a, span. These are some kind of attribute. You can use any attribute. Okay, here you can
But
see it is id. Hmm? Yeah.
but suppose we want to pinpoint, say for example, in this 4.39 billion thing,
Huh.
this class name is that info. Sorry, the table name for this.
Mm-hmm.
When I click there, you have TD, which is the table data. Class is equal to info box.
Yes,
So
info box
directly,
data.
can I just, without even mentioning the table, can I
Huh.
just directly say find all TD, then the class
Of course,
info box data?
you can do it, you can do it, though I cannot guarantee that it will, this attribute use only for this line or this text. Maybe this attribute used for many lines. Okay, but yeah, you can try it. Let's try it. Td class info box data. The thing is, there is no rule for it. There is no rule for any scraping. The format is set, no doubt, format is set, but for everyone's code, okay, there is no rule about it. Okay, anyone else who want to discuss something? Any other question? From my side, this topic is very much complete today. Now I need to discuss about cookies, which I will discuss in the next class. See, I just use this code with class is equal to info box dot data, and it give me lot of stuff.
Yeah,
Though you can see,
even for me.
4.39 billion is here. It is here.
Yeah,
Okay, so yeah, this is also a way to pinpoint stuff. You can just find, yeah,
correct.
okay,
Yeah.
okay. So from my side, this much is enough for today. If you guys have any problem, anything you want to discuss, then we can discuss. I also want to mention this code which is written by Ritik, and he use some Python stuff which is nice. Okay, he just importing library soup text to search cost. Okay, soup find all table, he find all the table, and he just use Python loop for loop to run all table one by one, and he use if something is present in somewhere, then print it. So it is good, it is good, but this is a very hard Python code. It is fine, it's still fine, fine, no problem. You guys can use Python here, we are using Python. Okay, so everyone, anyone wanna any question you can ask. uh, Arjit, Arjit, is there some question in HTML class we can have more than one value, right? Yes, yes, we just discussed it. Yeah, height and width, है ना, two values. Anyone have any question?
Hello.
Sir, in
Yes, yes, please. Purva, I guess
Uh,
Purva. Yeah.
yeah, in Wikipedia page, you
Mhm.
somewhere search the table
Yes.
and the result was 14. So can you just show me once again
Okay.
where did you search that?
I mean, why you wanna see that code? Any specific reason? You can write that code by
No, no,
yourself.
I don't want to see the code, but in Wikipedia page, you somewhere search the table.
I think it was table or maybe images. I don't know. Let's check. I think it's images.
no,
सर
sir, I
वो
think she's asking
स्क्रिप्ट
that
में स्क्रिप्ट में पूछ रहे हैं कि टेबल कैसे फाइंड करना है.
developer tools में when you did control F,
हाँ हाँ, डेवलपर टूल में कंट्रोल एफ.
when you did control F, not and you
Oh,
search for
अच्छा. Oh, okay, that thing.
that,
Okay,
I
okay.
think that's what she's
Okay,
asking.
okay. So the thing
And
is,
then it was
Hello.
14.
Purva. Okay.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes, Purva. Okay, so the thing is, see.
Yeah, yeah, that one which we were showing.
So the thing is, control F. When you press control F, now you can find anything in the page. Let's say in the page, fire. Okay. So there are 91 times we use fire. Same thing we can use in inspect element. Just right click, go to inspect element, and here press control F. Click anywhere and press control F, and you can see this here. You know, it will table table, and you can see 14 table. So there are 14 times we use table here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, thank you.
nice, nice, nice. There is no need to thank. It's fine. It's good if you guys are asking questions.
Okay.
Vishwas, is this yes, Vishwas? From my side, this is enough for today. Okay, I don't think that you guys can handle any more. It is already nearly 2 hour.
Sir, in the ROE,
Haha.
sir, will they provide a document with certain functions that are used for web scraping so that you don't have to remember at all? For example, the import library for Beautiful Soup, or
Kevin,
some
the
which
thing is,
function is to be used.
Kevin, that ROE will be open internet stuff,
Okay, okay.
open internet exam. So you can have your own copy, you can have your own notebook, you can even have your friend uh, sitting next to you. So yeah, cheating is allowed. So you better prepare.
लास्ट टाइम जूम मीटिंग करके चीट किया था सब.
नाइस. मैंने भी ऐसे ही करा था अपने टाइम में. So you better whatever you are studying here na, in this TA session or in the lectures, just make your own handwritten notes. Okay. Shyam, no, I am not gonna share my own collab notebook. Okay, just make your own. There is no point of sharing the codes, guys. Just write your own code. Practice it, huh? I mean, I can just do one or two click, and you can have my notebook. But what's the point? Just write your own. If you have any problem, I am here now. Just ask me. Okay. Anyone else wanna ask something?
The
Oh,
ROE and the projects they'll be mostly based on scraping, right?
no, no, no. I can't say that it is mostly based on scrapping, but yeah, scrapping is a very important part. For the last 4 term, they are always asking something from the scrapping. So yeah, scrapping is important.
So next week we may be having a project, no, sir? First project they will be
Yeah, it
doing
will
this.
be after week 5. Let's see. What if I want to find all the elements that have a certain class, no matter which tag? Is it? That's an interesting thing. Let's try. Let's try it. That's a nice question. Okay, so no need to use any tag. Just, just find something. I'm gonna copy paste it. Copy and paste. Just removing class. What do you guys think? Will it run? It is not running. I need class. Okay, comma.
Comma.
Remove the comma. Okay, it is not running. There is one thing. In SQL, we use star. Star means all. Let's see if it will work or not. It is not working. So yeah, so you need to give some tag. Okay. Maybe there is something. I mean, maybe some this. Let's check. Last try. Some empty colon. No, you need to give some tag. Okay. Nice question. Anyone? Anyone else? As a string maybe. Okay.
सर यूनिक के लिए आईडी स्टफ यूज होता है राइट?
किसके लिए?
आईडी आईडी टैग टैग के अंदर से क्लास यूज करते हैं.
For unique, I don't know, man. Give me some. Give me some example. Narjit, it is not working. Star as a string is not working. Okay. Okay, I think it's quite a long session. Let at least let me
Sir,
close the
just
recording.
one basic question I
Yeah,
have.
yeah, yeah. Please ask.
Sir, what is it that we are specifically referring to class? Like we have to you said that we have to pinpoint that something in class and then it will show. But what is like in a particular tag? What is it that we are calling class?
Okay, I mean any attribute here, any attribute. We are just using class word because there are a lot of classes, but you can use any attribute. Let's say this is meta. Meta is a tag. There is a property, so it is an attribute. Attribute is a better word. Okay, you can use attribute. We are using class because there are a lot of classes. Whenever we are open any division, we can see class, 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 class. That's why we are using class. Okay, otherwise you can use any attribute. Let's say link. Here you cannot see class, you can see rel relation, href reference. You can use any attribute. Okay.
Okay, so in a particular tag, we have to write like that
Yeah.
particular attribute and then what exactly we want.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Nice. Anyone else? Any topic related question? Nice, nice, nice question. I don't know the answer. Okay, so I'm gonna close
But
the.
whatever you noted it down, like how to include, how to get the URL of our own drive file, HTML file, whatever we prepared yesterday.
Uh-huh.
You had noted it down in your notes, right? I mean, check it out and let us know tomorrow.
Which note?
No, you had shown your desktop screen right now,
Uh-huh.
where you have noted it down, like how to get the. Yes, I asked you the question how to get the HTML page as the URL here in Collab. Like we you you added that file, but you couldn't do it right.
Okay, okay. This local, this one.
Ha ha ha.
Okay, okay,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
okay, okay. Let me try. Let me try. But first, let me close the recording because I don't know if I will find the answer. Okay. So
Okay.
I am close the recording.